Hello and welcome to part 2 of our Tinkercad walkthroughs. If you haven't already seen our introduction and part 1, I recommend you watch them now. The first walkthrough involved making a simple box. The most difficult and time-consuming part of this was aligning the objects correctly. Let me demonstrate. If we take a face and attempt to align it with the base, it can be both fiddly and quite time-consuming, especially if you have a lot of objects to manipulate. There is, however, a much quicker and simpler way of getting our desired result. It's called the Align tool. If we make a multiple selection by using the left-hand mouse button and dragging a marquee across both the objects, like so, the Align tool button is now active and we can select it. When we do so, these grey dots will appear around our selected objects. For each axis there are 3 dots, one at each end and one in the centre. Holding the mouse pointer over a dot, you will see the ghost images as the objects align along that point. When you're satisfied, click on a dot and the objects will align along that face. You can do this for each axis. When you're satisfied, select all the objects and group them. Now we have our finished box. I mentioned earlier the Align tool works in all 3 dimensions. Let me demonstrate. If I make one of the objects taller, I can now align the 2 objects around the bottom, the middle and the top, like so. Thank you for watching and we hope you found this useful. Please remember, Clearwater Library offers a free 3D printing service. Follow the link on the screen above, fill in the form and upload your STL file. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.